Hi everyone, I built an AI automated system that reads all my blog posts one by one and compare them with my top competitors. And then it will help me optimize my blog posts so I can outrank all my competitors and rank on top of Google so I can get free traffic. I built this system without coding and it's 100% automated. Just set it up and this AI system will work for you. In this video, I will show you how the system works. I will give it to you for free and show you step by step how you can set it up and even sell it. If you are ready, let's get started. I will split the video into 3 parts. Number 1, I will show you the system in action. I will run it so you can see the magic and the power of AI and automation. Number 2, I will share with you the system for free so you can clone it, and then I will show you how to set up the system step by step. And 3, I will show you how you can monetize the system, how you can sell it, how you can turn it into an income stream by sharing 3 secret important tips that will help you be successful monetizing similar automations. So let's get started and see the system in action. So this is my automated system. Don't worry about anything. You can set up this in less than 2 minutes. Here I have a simple Google sheet. You will see here I have a list of URLs. These are my blog posts on my website, and I have a target keyword. The keyword I'm targeting for each of these blog posts. Then I have a status 0 or 1, and then I have details about each record. Look at this. I will go here and simply run this system. Just wait a couple of seconds, maybe minutes, depending on how many URLs you have here. And you will see now in action that this sheet will be updated. You see, we got the here current rank, again, the second one, and perfect. We are done. You can see now for each blog, we have the web page intent, which means what is the intent of this blog post? Is it to sell something? Is it informational? And so on. And then it will compare it with the keyword intent. So when you target a keyword, you want to make sure that the keyword intent matches your web page intent. So this way you can match both intents in this table. Then you will get the current rank on Google. You will see where you are ranking on Google for this target keyword. If it's empty, it means you are ranking above 100. So definitely need to optimize this. Then we have the input tokens, output tokens, and the estimated cost. This is very important, especially when we talk about selling the system in part 3 of the video in a little bit. Then we have details, which is the most important section here, which is the analysis of each blog post. If you open it, you'll have a Google documentation explaining in depth how you need to optimize each blog post so you can optimize it and outrank your competitors. Remember, this is based on your competitors. So the system here is reading blog posts of your competitors' websites and comparing with your blog, and then finding gaps, finding things you need to optimize so you can get a better version of your article that is better than your competitor so you can outrank them, and so on. So this is the system in action. Let's now move to part 2 and see how you can set up this in less than 2 minutes. Okay, step number 1, you need a no-code automation tool. As I mentioned, I built this with no-code tools. I used Make, which is one of the best automation no-code tools out there. I like it because it's super powerful, fully customizable, and affordable for anyone. Not only that, I've partnered with Make, so now you can get free access for 1 month to test anything you want with a pro account. In the description below, click the link, join Make now, and get free access. When you log in, let's log in. Now before we create the automation scenario or the workflow, you need to install a custom application I developed for you. This one here, it's called Extract Web Content. This is very important for the scenario to work and very important to monetize the system, as you will see in part 3 in a couple of minutes. So what you have to do simply, in the description below you'll have a link, app invitation, to install this app in your account. just open the link and you'll find this extract web content. Just install it and we are done. Before we continue, if you face any problem in this automation or following any of my videos, please go to learnwithhassan.com/community and join our free public forum. I'm there almost every day to answer your questions and to help you in any problem. I think I deserve a like for that. Anyway, coming back to make, click on scenarios here and then simply click on create a new scenario and you'll get this empty scenario. Perfect. All you have to do now is click on these three dots here and click import blueprint, choose the file, and you'll find the JSON or the blueprint file attached also in the description below. Just download it and import it here and click on save, and boom, we have the full system in your account. Perfect. Now all you have to do is simply configure the modules with your credentials. Let me show you how easy is this. Number one is we have Google Sheets here. Just make sure to open this module and connect with your Gmail account. I will also give you this sheet so you can clone it and then simply just attach it here. Select your drive, select the spreadsheet. In my case, it's called blog URL, as you can see here in the browser. Select the sheet name, which is the sheet name here, blogs, and that's it. Just make sure you select the right spreadsheet and click OK. Now we connected Google Sheets. Second, we have extract web content. Open it, and here in the API key, just enter Hassan 2024 so you can get free access to this awesome application. What this application do, this custom module, is it can read blog posts from any website, from any URL. And without it, you can't build the system. Please memorize this phrase, without it, you can't build the system. It's very important if you want to sell this system. Just bear with me, you'll understand everything. It's very important. So, then we have a router. Then we have these ChatGPT modules or OpenAI modules. So we are using AI here to analyze the blog posts and everything else. So just make sure to open this, and here in the connection, click on add a connection and simply enter your API key you get from OpenAI. It's that simple, simple text. Write it and save it and select the connection. And here you'll find everything. The prompts I used, it will be there. The structure, everything, system prompts, everything is here. So the first four modules here are used to fill the keyword intent and web page intent. So here we are analyzing the website page and we're analyzing the keyword and extracting the intent. Perfect. We finished these modules. Now we have this HTTP module. This will search Google and get the top 100 results. It's very important so we can analyze our competitors and get our rank. So all you have to do here is set your API key instead of mine. How you get one? Simply here go to serper.dev.dev and sign in or sign up. You will get 2,500 queries for free. It's more than enough because every search, single search is one query. So you have 2,500 searches. It's more than enough. Just enter the API key. Let's sign in to show you this. Here we have API key. Just copy it from here and paste inside this module. Perfect. This is a JSON router, iterator, text parser, nothing. Here, just make sure again to configure Google Sheets. Let's open this one to show you. This is somehow different because we need to enter the spreadsheet ID. Again, just go here and copy the spreadsheet ID from the URL. It's that simple, and paste it here. That's it. And then again, this one, the same. Enter the ID here, the sheet name, blogs, and click OK. That's it. Then we have again the extract web content. Again, enter the API key. It's that simple. Then we have again the OpenAI. Make sure to select the credentials. We have here the prompts. You can also optimize these prompts. Maybe you watched my prompt engineering course. here on my channel, on my website, on how to script automation workflows with prompt engineering and power prompts. Anyway, if you have some experience with prompting, which I encourage you to learn about, you can change these prompts to fit and customize based on your needs. Then we have these Google Sheets. Again, just make sure to select blog URLs or the sheet you want with this one also. Then we have, again, OpenAI. Again, select the credentials. It's super simple. And then we have, again, Google Sheets. Just update them with your sheet. And at the end, we have Google Document. Again, just make sure to connect to Google Docs. And that's it. It will generate the Google Documents automatically. And then we have the system ready. That's it. What you have to do simply is fill this Google Sheet with your own URLs and the target keyword and run the system. Again, don't forget, if you have any problems, you need any help, you have any questions, I'll be on the forum. Just join us for free and let's chat and help each other. So this is how we can set up this system in a couple of minutes. Section number 3 of this video is monetizing. Let's make some money with this system and similar systems. Please focus very well. I have 3 tips for you if you are planning to sell this system or similar systems on Make to automate your clients' workflows. Tip number 1, which is super important, is always try to add your custom applications as I did here. Now, in my case, I'm giving you this for free, so you can learn about these systems and use it for free. But in your case, you can customize and build your own applications and add them to your workflows. This way, you will lock the system. Even if anyone gets the system, they will not be able to run it. Why? Because they need access to your custom application. So you can use this API key. The client needs this to access the system, so you can secure this. And the second benefit is you can turn this into a recurring income. So your clients can subscribe to your custom applications to run their workflows. And this is very important. And by the way, soon I will have a video about building custom applications on Make. I don't think you want to miss this. So turn on notifications to get every new update. The second tip when selling such systems is always to calculate the tokens used. You can see here, I did this in the system to show you that this is very important. The input tokens and the output tokens and the estimated cost. This is very important so you can know how much this system will cost in case you want to sell yourself, so you know how much to charge, or if you want to sell to a client so your client can know how much the system will cost them. And this is very important when selling a service to someone else. They need to know how much it costs. So always calculate the tokens and the estimated costs based on the modules, the AI modules you are using and the APIs you are using. And the third tip is to play and customize this scenario to fit your client's needs. Just don't go and just copy and sell a system as it is. Try to be somehow creative and learn these automation systems. Come on, dedicate some time every day to learn these new technologies, to learn AI. This will open the door to a lot of opportunities for you to work online, to sell services online, or even to automate your own business as I do. For example, you can start learning today with this system and this one here in this video, so you can see different variations of workflows and AI automations. Thank you for following and see you in the upcoming videos.